Looking for the best mirror dashcam in 2026 to upgrade your driving safety and recording quality? In today's video, I'll show you the top 5 best mirror dashcams that offer stunning 4K recording, advanced night vision, smart features like ADAS, and more. Whether you want better security, parking monitoring, or a smart rear view upgrade, I've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dashcam. The Pelsee S12 Pro is a premium mirror dashcam featuring a STARVIS 2 sensor, 4K front recording, and a 1080p rear camera. It also includes ADAS and BSD safety features, plus voice control. This is one of the smartest dashcams on the market. The STARVIS 2 sensor delivers excellent low-light performance, making night driving much safer. The ADAS and blind spot detection add a layer of safety you rarely see in mirror dashcams. Pros: excellent 4K video quality, advanced ADAS and BSD features, voice control support, strong night vision performance. Cons: slightly expensive. Setup can take time for beginners. Drivers who want premium safety features plus top-tier video quality. Number 2. WOLFBOX G900 Tripro. This is a 3-channel dashcam with front, rear, and bumper cameras. It uses the IMX678 STARVIS 2 sensor and includes a 256GB memory card. If you want full coverage, this is the one. The triple camera setup gives you front, rear, and extra protection. The video quality is outstanding, and the included large storage is a huge bonus. Pros: triple camera coverage, high-resolution recording on all channels, includes 256GB storage, excellent night performance. Cons: more complex installation, higher price range. Users who want maximum coverage and security. Number 3. Generic 4K Mirror Dashcam, Budget Pick. A budget-friendly option with 4K front plus rear recording, Wi-Fi connectivity, G-sensor, and 24-hour parking mode. This dashcam offers solid value for money. While it lacks premium sensors, it still delivers decent video quality and essential features for everyday use. Pros: affordable price, 4K front recording, includes 64GB card, easy to use. Cons: average night vision, fewer advanced features. Budget users looking for basic functionality at a low price. Number 4. AZDOME PG17 Mirror Dashcam. The AZDOME PG17 features 4K recording, GPS, Wi-Fi, a 12-inch touchscreen, and voice commands. It also includes reverse assist and parking monitoring. This is a well-balanced dashcam with a great mix of features and price. The GPS tracking and large touchscreen make it user-friendly and practical. Pros: built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, large 12-inch touchscreen, good overall performance, voice control included. Cons: night quality could be better, UI could be smoother. Users wanting a balanced mix of features and value. Number 5. WOLFBOX G840S Mirror Dashcam. A reliable dual-camera system with 4K front recording, rear camera support, Wi-Fi, and GPS. It includes a 32GB card. This is a dependable and user-friendly option from WOLFBOX. It may not be as advanced as the G900, but it delivers consistent performance and solid video quality. Pros: reliable performance, easy installation, good video clarity, affordable compared to premium models. Cons: limited storage included, no advanced ADAS features. Drivers who want a simple, reliable dashcam. So, that was my list of the top 5 best mirror dashcams in 2026. If you want the best overall, go with the Pelsee S12 Pro. For full coverage, the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro is unbeatable. And if you're on a budget, the generic 4K mirror dashcam is a great pick. Check out the links in the description to get the best deals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.